Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to create a free Windows 10 RDP using GitHub in just a few simple steps. Don't worry, we'll guide you every step of the way. Step 1. First, if you don't have a GitHub account yet, don't fret. Just follow the link in the description to watch our video on how to create one. It's super easy and you'll be up and running in no time. Step 2. Once you have your GitHub account, let's get Rustdesk installed on your device. Don't worry about finding it. The download link is right there in the description. Click on it, and we'll show you how to install Rustdesk on your Windows system. Step 3. Now, it's time to get the GitHub workflow code. You can find the download link is right there in the description. Click on it, download it, and let's proceed to the next step. Step 4. All right, you've completed the prerequisites. Now, log into your GitHub account and create a new repository with a unique name of your choice. Make sure it's not too similar to any RDP names out there. Step 5. Click on Create New File and in the directory label, type in github/workflows/test. Then, commit the changes. It's simple. Just follow along. Step 6. Now click Add File and select Upload File. Locate the GitHub workflow code you downloaded from Telegram, named Windows 10, rustdesk.yml. Click Commit Changes, and you're doing great. Woohoo! Time for the action. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay motivated. We love making useful videos for you guys. Step 8. Head over to Actions and click on Windows Rustdesk. Then hit Run Workflow. Almost there, keep going. Step 9, refresh the page and click on Windows Rustdesk again. Now click Start Building and patiently wait for the process to complete. Step 10. Fantastic job. Your Rustdesk ID is right there. Open the Rustdesk application and paste the ID. Click Connect and copy the password provided. Click Connect again and you're in. Step 11. To make sure everything is running smoothly, let's do a quick Ookla speed test on the RDP. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your free Windows 10 RDP. You did it! Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Your support motivates us to create more useful content for you. Until next time, happy computing!